Hey guys, Jeff here with Shock Surplus, here to give you a little bit of a rundown on what you should be expecting when you purchase some Bilstein 6112s from us. Alright, so when you get the box open, what you'll see is 2 struts, 2 springs, and any necessary hardware to get this installed on your truck. Alright, so when you open up your strut box, what you'll get inside is a bag of hardware, the strut itself, instruction manual, and a Bilstein sticker. Now, the 6112 strut will have the lower spring, the lower circlip on the strut body already. In the hardware pack, you'll have the lower spring mount and the necessary hardware to attach the top mount to the strut assembly. Now, depending on your vehicle application, Bilstein will include either bump stops or bump stop spacers. All right, guys, so this is everything that's included in the Bilstein 6112s when you purchase it from us. So, what's it gonna take to get these installed in your truck? First thing you'll have to do is remove your old strut assemblies, and you'll either want to disassemble those and reuse that top mount, or you could also buy brand new top mounts so that you have everything fresh and clean put on your truck. When you get these assembled, when you do the assembly yourself, what you want to do is you want to use the proper spring compressor. You want to use something that's wall mounted and nothing like the ones that you could rent from your local auto parts store. Those things just aren't safe, especially when you're using on a heavier truck spring like this. And then you'll want to refer to your Bilstein manual to see which clip setting would be appropriate for your desired lift height. Now, we do have the option of sending these out completely assembled to you like this. What you get with this is you'll get a brand new top mount, and you'll get these lower spring mounts assembled and installed to your desired lift height setting. Now, the benefit of this is it's going to be a little bit safer because you're not having to do this yourself. You're not having to compress this spring. You'll save a bunch of time. You'll save some frustration, and you'll also save money because you won't have to drive out to a local mechanic and having a mechanic assemble these strut assemblies for you. If you have any other questions, or if you have any questions at all, please feel free to give us a call and we'll be more than happy to assist you.